What is up, guys? Can we do this again so soon? Let's go. Lander 3. It is a 2 3/4 inch blade with S35VN steel. You've got a clutch lock on it for easy opening and closing. The handle scales are G10 and they are open source, so you can mix them, match them, make them however you like them. This is our 4th Kickstarter, so we've done this before. We know what we're doing, we love it, and we would love your support on this project. Definitely back it. Now, I also really believe in accountability, and so I'm gonna walk you through what we've done with the money from the last 3 Kickstarters. Well, let's go. Oh, hello there, folks. Come on in. I'm gonna give you a tour of Knafs. So right in here, we have our storefront space. You can come handle the knives. We wanted to give a space for people to come hang out, see our story on the wall with this gallery wall. And then back in here, we've got all of our warehouse space. Knife sharpening is back there, pick, pack, and ship, laser engraving, and then a small kitchenette. The thing that I love about this space more than anything, it is not my garage.
Yes!
The building's pretty cool, but one of my very favorite things about what we've done here is hire people like Jen. Hello, Jen.
Hey.
What were you doing before?
I got laid off.
What are you doing now?
Customer service.
Matt.
Operations manager.
Austin.
Marketing manager.
Keith. Robin.
I do inventory and ship orders.
Matt.
Product development.
Jack.
Media producer.
We've heard of Apollo 13.
Houston, we have a problem.
Thanks, Tom. The crew survived, but they never made it to the moon. 10 months later, Apollo 14 launched. The commander was Alan Shepard, a 47-year-old who had missed other missions because of his health. But that boss, he found a fix and landed on the moon.
It's been a long way, but we're here.
Adapt and overcome. That's the energy we put into the Lander 3. Keep improving, keep challenging. Same mission, new adventure. The Lander 3 size is the same as Lander 1 with upgraded S35VN steel and an adjustable clutch lock from Kizer. The blade is 2 3/4 inches, G10 scales. The small size required exposed liners, so we bronzed them up on the Horizon Blue Edition. It also comes in that sweet black on black. It has a deep carry, reversible pocket clip, and it runs on ceramic ball bearings for smooth opening. As always, the scales are open source, swappable, and available to print for free. The moon belongs to everyone, and the Lander is yours to enjoy again.
And there you have it, guys. We would love your support on the Lander 3. We'll be getting these out as fast as we can. We would love to have you on board with this, and we will send backer updates. We'll do all the regular stuff. We've done this 3 times before, so we kind of know what we're doing at this point. We'd love to have you be part of this project, but more importantly, thank you to you all for supporting Knafs. It's been really cool to me as a business owner to see this thing starting to grow, being able to hire people, create jobs, and make things happen. We still have a ton to learn, like how to offer 401k benefits and how to run a CNC machine, but we are getting there. To the moon, amigos. Thanks.